Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Telegram bot. First, open your Telegram app and use the search bar to find a bot by its username. Many bots are available for various functions, from news updates to productivity tools. You can also interact with BotFather, Telegram's official bot, to create and manage your own custom bots. Bots are designed to automate tasks and provide information efficiently, making your Telegram experience more dynamic and helpful. Once you've found a bot, simply tap the Start button or send a message to begin interacting. Most bots respond to specific commands, which usually begin with a /, like /start or /help. These commands trigger predefined actions or provide useful information. Bots can communicate in various ways, including sending text messages, images, or even presenting interactive keyboards to guide your choices, making interactions straightforward and intuitive. Telegram bots offer advanced features to enhance your experience. Inline bots, for example, let you interact directly from any chat's input field by typing the bot's username and a query. Custom keyboards provide quick, predefined response options, streamlining your interactions. Many bots can also be integrated into groups, where they can perform tasks like moderation, scheduling messages, or conducting polls, adding significant functionality to your group chats. To ensure a safe experience, always use reputable bots and avoid clicking suspicious links or sharing sensitive information like credit card details. Regularly update your Telegram app and report any suspicious bot activity. If a bot isn't responding, try restarting the chat or checking its description for specific commands or known issues. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy exploring the vast world of Telegram bots safely and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.